Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arifa's English Academy. Friends, being upset will not solve your problem, but getting up and set your way to your goals will solve everything. It is absolutely true. If you sit aside thinking about your problem, then it will never solve. If you think about your future, then you will definitely succeed. So let us try to learn something new every day. Today we are going to learn about articles. Articles, it is not that anything about newspapers. Newspaper article. No friends. It is about English grammar articles. What these articles are? Articles are special modifiers which are used in front of a noun, which helps a noun. How these articles are divided? These articles are divided into two types, definite and indefinite article. Definite article is the and indefinite is a and an. What this definite article is? It is nothing but specific things or identity of a noun. It shows the identity of a noun. Coming to the indefinite one, it is used before general things or singular nouns. General means it's nothing but the common nouns. Let's see the usage, how these articles are used. Definite article is used to specify something which is previously considered, which is already used. For example, Rosie is a very good player. She is the one who has won the gold medal. We are talking about Rosie here. And what she has done, she has won a gold medal. She is the one who has won the gold medal. Means already we are talking about Rosie. Coming to the next one, universal truths. Definite article the is used before universal truths. It means the things which we cannot be changed. For example, the sun, the earth, names of the planets, etc. Coming to the next one, body parts. Example, the lungs, the kidneys. Why? Because these are the names of organs. Coming to the next one, places. Names of place or union of countries or states. For example, the United States of America or the UAE. It means United Arab Emirates. It's a union of states and it's a union of countries. Coming to the next, names of family or family names. For example, the Kapoors, Guptas, the Saxenas, etc. Seas and oceans. The Indian Ocean or the Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean, etc. Coming to the next one, group of lakes or mountains, the Himalayas or the Ganga River, name of the rivers. Coming to the next one, poles or deserts, the North Pole or the South Pole or the Sahara Desert. These are the few usages of definite article. These are the few examples. Now let us see what this indefinite article is and how do we use it. Indefinite articles are used in front of general nouns or common nouns. For example, a girl, a boy, a car, a dog, a fish, etc. These are nothing but common nouns. Coming to the next one, an. an aeroplane, an eagle, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. Friends, please notice that how these words are starting with which letter? It is G, B, C, D, F. What these letters are? These are nothing but consonants. It doesn't sound as vowel. Right, so coming to the next one, these are starting with vowel sounds. So we are using article an here. An is used before the vowel sounds. So these are definite and indefinite articles. These are the few examples. Today we have learnt about articles. Thank you everyone.